Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Tea Time Style Time. Today I have a unboxing of a Polene Nano Numero 1 or Numero 1 in the Lilac. So I was hoping it would get here earlier this week, but unfortunately it was a little bit delayed. I did pay about $260 US and $20 for shipping. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. So this is the Lilac colored Polene Nano, and just for reference, here is how it looks against a true kind of lavender and compared to a pink. So it is in the color between the two of them. I would say it's kind of a mauve color, but definitely different from taupe. Looking at the bag, I'll start with the bottom. There are 4 feet. So look at this side. The back does have a nice pocket. Other side. Look at the Polene logo, and you can see this is textured leather, so it's pretty scratch resistant. The snap, it is magnetic closure, does have a piece of blue protector tape over it. Opening it, it is a little bit stiff. You can see it says Polene. I'm gonna go ahead and take the stuffing out. So I have my iPhone lighting up the inside just so you can see there is one security pocket in the back here. And it's just a cotton lined. So I have an iPhone 11. As you can see, it does not fit in the back pocket, but it does fit laying down. I went ahead and undid the snap closures here, but you can see if it will focus. It does, I don't think it's going to focus, but it does say Polene. These are gold hardware. And if you fasten the bag, even when they are not done up, it does not affect the shape of the bag. Now, I have already come to find the snap closure can be a little tricky to maneuver just to make sure it's closed all the way, but that might just be something I have to learn how to handle. Looking at the top handle, it is fairly sturdy. It's not as stiff as my Aspinall bags. The strap is adjustable. There are 3, 4, it looks like 5 different holes, 6 different holes. And it is a full leather strap. So I am very happy with the quality of this. I would say it's a little bit stiff. It's kind of, I'm not sure how to say, the leather is a little bit like Hermes Epsom, but I would say it's a little bit stiffer than a Coach type of leather. I will go ahead and do a what fits in my bag video and compare this to the Lou by YSL mini Lou camera bag in a future Thank you so much for taking some of your precious time with me today to unbox the Polene bag. If you like videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button, and thank you for joining me today. I'll see you guys on the next go around.